Hi everybody, my name is Janet and I'm one of the nurse injectors here at True Balance. I work out in Spruce Grove and St. Albert. I offer a few different services here. I do Botox for cosmetics, I do Botox for chronic migraines, Botox for hyperhidrosis, and my very favorite service to provide is PRP.
So PRP is platelet-rich plasma, which is your body's natural way of healing itself. So for example, like when you get a cut, your body actually will send platelets to that area in order to release growth factors, and those growth factors help to produce collagen and elastin, which helps to repair the tissues. We also do PRP for hair restoration, which we'll be doing today on Dr. Brown. So a lot of people deal with androgenetic alopecia, which basically is a fancy term for male pattern baldness or female pattern baldness. Some people start to get that in their 20s or 30s. That's when it can start.
There we have it, the gold sitting right on top. That is our platelet-rich plasma right over here. This is the little separator, and this is the red blood cells that we do not want into our cells here.
There is mild to moderate pain with the injection. We don't use a thick needle at all. It's really tiny. For those that have had like Botox injections, for example, it's about the same width but much shorter. When we inject PRP, we're using little micro injections that it goes directly into the hair follicle, and the PRP will actually help to awaken that hair follicle and basically strengthen that hair follicle. When we're talking about hair loss, the amount of treatments that you'll need is roughly between 4 to 6 treatments. So the first 3 treatments would be about 4 to 6 weeks apart, and then after that third treatment, we're going to take a little bit longer and do a treatment about 3 months apart from the last treatment. So anywhere between 4 to 6, and everybody's results are going to be different, of course, depending on the person. So some people might notice some hair growth after the 3rd treatment, and some people will need the 6th treatment in order to notice the hair growth.